I see an open door.
You do.
And I'm filming it. ¿Por qué?
How are we going to do the angle on this?
How? What do you mean?
You stand here.
I stand here? Alright, I'm going to stand over here. So what are we doing?
We're moving the door panel on a 2003 3 Series BMW.
Sorry, it was a what?
2003.
2003.
This comes off.
Trimmy.
I'll have to buy more clips. It's broken.
Broken clips.
There's a screw.
Uno screw. Isn't there supposed to be a second one there?
It is.
Apparently not in...
Just trying to get my head in the shot.
Whatever.
2 screws.
2 screws. Isn't there supposed to be a third one there? No? Why is there a hole there then?
It's just a...
German thing.
It's just a hole.
Thanks, Germany.
Another
Free hole.
We're going down here now.
Going down here? I got to move the thing so I can see.
See this thing?
Uh-huh. It's under the thing. See? Under the thing. Screws. Is there a second one? It's kind of dark, but it's there.
If you can't remove those with your fingers, then you have girly fingers.
Girly fingers? Really? It's 2018, man. Have some respect.
Oh, wait, right here.
A what? The button? For the door? The window?
There's a screw right in there.
Oh, there's a screw in there underneath that.
Oh, remove that.
Remove away, man. I'm gonna resituate the camera.
Magnetic screwdriver works great.
Obviously, you're gonna want magnetic unless you're real careful, because it might go disappearing in some places.
You'll find it when you take the pen.
Probably.
Plug, unplug buttons.
Yep. Simple plug. Unplug it.
Nope.
Is that a bird?
It's a bird.
What a bird. The magic tool. That has multiple names, apparently. Trying not to get you in the shot, but you're getting right up in there, bro. Is that a piece of your... Yeah, it was. It was a piece of your broken clip.
A broken clip.
Yeah. See? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, switch sides again, because it would be easier if the door was off. And
Oh, yes. If the door was on, like, a table or something, this would be very easy to disassemble.
if I work my way around, popping clips.
Popper clips. Hey! We dropped some kind of ringy-madingy.
Huh.
I don't know what that came off of.
In here.
In here.
There's this thing. If you
For the door handle.
yank it this way, it does go back in, apparently. Somehow. It's out of there for now.
Whatever, this isn't the first time we've taken it off.
At this point, yeah. It's the first one.
What are you talking about?
Did we have this one off before?
Yes, because
Back
we fixed the thing.
Oh. Whatever.
We fixed the stupid Bowmaster window track thingy that this car has.
Since I have the fancy sound system,
Fancy dancy sound system.
makes more sense to unscrew the front.
Yes.
I mean, I guess you could unplug that speaker.
If you like. We just leave it hanging. Feed your wire through there. Out it comes through there.
Door panel removed.
Door panel is now off.
Some of these